What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because this coin right now is about to break this really important resistance which will give us some potential trading opportunities. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm currently planning to take here, and also if you are interested about the exact price that I think Cardano is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a weekly time frame. If you saw my previous Cardano analysis, you know that I was talking here about that bearish order block that we had here on a weekly time frame. And right now you can see we took perfect liquidity above. So the main important thing is how this current weekly candle will close. And if it will close above and there will be a support confirmation, this will be really great long opportunity. Stop loss in this case, you need to place like under this current candle low, because this is the current stop loss that we can get here. So the stop loss will be around like 12.5%, and the last take profit target you need to place at least under this bearish order block, which will give you risk reward ratio up to 9.81. Of course, in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you definitely want to take like under these previous highs, these previous lows, these previous highs, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. If you want to have here slightly better risk reward ratio, you need to place it like above this current all-time high, so above the $3 mark. But in my opinion, if we are like gonna test this bearish order block, there is pretty high probability that we are gonna take the liquidity above this bearish order block as well. But the main important thing that we need to currently wait for on a weekly time frame is that support confirmation, because we just took like liquidity above all of these previous important highs. So a lot of people who are opening some short positions in these areas, they probably put their stop losses above this previous high. So right now we took the liquidity, so there is slightly higher probability that the market can actually go down. So the main thing how you can avoid it is to wait for that support confirmation. Let's now switch on the 1 hour chart, because here we are having your completely new setup. Here we are forming this bullish order block, which is between levels 1.213 and 1.178. Also, you can see that we are having here like this all previous important lows. So if we are gonna take the liquidity under, and there will be a support confirmation again in this bullish order block, this can be actually another good long opportunity. Stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit targets for a scalp trade like this I would place, let's say, under like 1.5, something like that, which will be next important psychological resistance. In this case, again, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take like under these previous highs, this previous high, for example under 1.4, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio is going to be like 7.78, something like that, which is in my opinion really great. Of course, the risk reward ratio can be slightly better, slightly worse. So if the fake out will be really small, then the risk reward ratio of course will be absolutely great. But again, don't forget to take multiple take profit targets, and after you will take some of the profits, move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. Right now, whole crypto market, especially the altcoin market, is testing really important resistance. So if there will be let's say some dump which will have around like 20%, which there is honestly like pretty high probability that something like this can currently happen. So as I'm always saying, have multiple take profit targets and manage those positions. So after you are taking some of the profits, move your stop loss so you can't turn your profitable positions into a loss. But for this reason, I am watching here this bullish order block, which is between levels 1.00 and 0.769. And if we are gonna take liquidity under like this bullish order block and there will be a support confirmation, this can be another amazing long trade. Stop loss, again, in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit target you can actually place again under that $1.55 mark, or if you want, you can place it under that $2 mark, which will be next important psychological resistance, and this trade can give you potential risk reward ratio up to 20%. 0.56, which is another absolutely amazing trade. But if you will take multiple take profit targets, which again you definitely should, the risk reward ratio will be more like 13, 14, something like that, which is still absolutely amazing setup. To summarize that, the whole crypto market had absolutely amazing pump, and I'm not saying that this pump is over. I think there is pretty high probability that the altcoin market will continue with its pump, but right now there is simply really high probability that there will be some small dump. This dump could have around like 30% of a net market, something like that, but probably in a couple of days we will be on the exact same level. So the main goal is not to get liquidated. And if you, for example, want to help with trading, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.